Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate syrup with cocoa powder. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of water. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to really bring out that chocolate flavor. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready for the finishing touch. These simple items are all you need to begin this delicious process. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Gradually add the 1 cup of water, continuing to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Bring it to a gentle boil for 1 minute, then reduce the heat and simmer for 2 minutes. Once your syrup has simmered, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. Now, the most important step for consistency. Allow the syrup to cool completely. As it cools, it will thicken to that perfect pourable texture. Once cool, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade chocolate syrup. Drizzle it generously over ice cream, mix it into a glass of cold milk for a classic chocolate drink, or use it as a delightful topping for pancakes and waffles. It's incredibly versatile and tastes so much better than store-bought. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.